Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to draw water barricades, concrete barricades, and cones in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. First, load the Lisp. Enter Upload and choose the Lisp. Draw some polylines. Type W and B to activate the Lisp and draw water barricades, then specify the water barricade's width. Type C and B to activate the Lisp and draw concrete barricades, then specify the concrete barricade's width. Finally, type T and C to activate the Lisp and draw road cones, then specify the distance between cones.